So for pricing though, as you can see,
Yeah,
rent
price.
standards 330, and then premium they make it easy. They just double the price. Okay.
Yeah, I've noticed that. Yeah.
Now premium though, we'll see what we get, and again we'll come back, but we are kind of running towards the tail end of this episode, so we might have to do both of them in simultaneous order here.
Yeah. Why don't we do
But
it that way? Yeah.
but with premium, even at double the price, it's still significantly cheaper than 21 for enterprise of
Yeah.
GitHub and 29. Well, I mean
Let's
we
talk.
don't. Let's talk. And
So the estimate of Ultimate, depending on what you get for a discount, who you work with as a partner, is between 100 and $120 a
so
user.
3 to 4x your
Yeah.
premium price.
Mhm.
So Bitbucket just 2x's it.
Yeah.
GitHub does an interesting thing, right? Because there's what, another 5x, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
It is quite the jump if you're just looking at percentages. Yes.
Yeah, the 5x here, the 3 to 4x on the GitLab, and it's just a 2x on the Bitbucket.
Mhm.
But let's see what we get. So for both, we're gonna get unlimited. These I think are still numbers that we're laughing at because
Yeah.
GitHub's lowest tier, or their middle tier is 3,000. And so yeah, maybe Atlassian needs to charge a little bit more and give you more minutes.
And what is it per additional minutes? Is it $10 for 1,000 minutes? Is that what we saw?
Well, you know what? Maybe I like this model, and here's my thought. Right, we get 3,500. Right, we got 20 users. We're paying 20 times 6. Right,
Mhm.
but if we run out, we're gonna add 1,000 for just $10.
Yeah. Oh, the additional build minutes is right there. Okay.
Yeah, the additional is just $10 for another 1,000.
Yeah.
And so, but we're just paying $10. We're not paying $10 per user,
True. Yeah. We're just paying it.
right?
Yeah.
And so I feel like, and what, you're not paying the $21, right? for this
Yeah. Exactly.
for that 50,000. Like, how much more would we have to pay? So let's just take the price of one user here and do
Well, let's not go
21.
too much down that path because we can use that in our next episode. But
All right. Well, $15, right? So you could basically buy another 2,000 for, and then get more in parity.
yeah.
But again, but you're paying per user more, right?
Mhm.
This time it's just you're only paying it for one user. So if you have 10 users, you could technically buy 10 of these packages to get parity
Yeah.
with the GitHub, right? So now you got, I don't know, 10.
Yeah.
So
You
10.
still don't have a lot of minutes. It's, you know, if you're doing a 20-minute build once an hour, it's
Yeah, it's
you
still not. Yeah, it's still not going to be there. There's got to be a line. And eventually, it does become better depending on the number of users. But yeah, even at 10 users, you're going to get 10,000 minutes, but you're still at 13,500.
yeah.
But yeah. So and then so yeah, you got to do a total cost of ownership, not just a per user cost.
And the LFS, yeah, you get more, but you're going to run out of that really quickly with
Yeah,
LFS.
the 10 gigabytes is nothing because on GitLab we get 50 gigabytes. Sorry, GitHub we get 50 gigabytes, and these folks, I don't even think they gave us. Is it still just a 400, or is it just in the 10? If you
Yeah.
buy more, but you're gonna buy $5 for every 10. But it
Yeah.
didn't look like you went. It didn't look like you got more than the 10 gigabytes as you went up in the tiers.
You do, but they're not spelling it out here for us.
Interesting, GitLab. Interesting. Compare all features. Let me see if this one tells me. Storage. Yeah, so you get 500 gigabytes.
Yeah.
So that's a nice bump.
Yeah.
All right, you get unlimited integrations if you wanted to hook up with some other tools. We talked about this already, but you only get 100 deployment environments, which most of you all might be fine, but in case you're not, something to consider because it doesn't look like you can buy more environments.
No.
So this might make or break it for you. We get the unlimited repos that are private. We obviously get the Jira integration, although we don't get anything better, right? We
No,
just
it's
get Jira
just
integration.
all the way across.
Yep. We get all the same, the pull
There,
requests and the things,
all
but
the
where things get interesting now is at the AI level.
Mhm.
So only at this level do we get AI-powered pull request descriptions. So what this does is AI is going to analyze your pull description, analyzes your code changes,
Yeah.
and gives you a description.
Mhm.
I don't know how much I trust it, but sure. We got summaries and an editor prompt, so elevate your editing experience with summaries generated by Atlassian Intelligence directly in Bitbucket editor prompt.
Mhm.
We get pull request comment creation with custom prompts so reviewers can use Atlassian Intelligence to interactively suggest code changes. And then, of course, we get spelling, grammar, and tone. So nothing that I would want to double my price for.
No, the whole tone thing is an interesting toy, and I got a kick out of it when they demoed it, but I don't necessarily see it as a selling point.
Yeah. So Atlassian Intelligence as a whole, I call it a gimmick.
Hmm.
Rovo is a little bit more revolutionary,
Well,
but
yeah, I was going to bring that up. They don't necessarily mention the Rovo integration to Bitbucket yet.
not yet, but they're supposed to, right?
Yeah, well, it's available. I'm not sure why it's not on this page.
Marketing hasn't talked to engineering.
Yeah.